Where are you today?
This is April M. Williams. I'm walking along Diamond Head Road in Honolulu, Hawaii, along the Pacific Ocean, and we ran across this tree trimming party. They're tree trimming a cactus, getting ready for the holidays.
Come on this side now. Take a little below that one.
So do you do this every year? Do you decorate the tree every year? Usually?
This is the fourth year.
Fourth year. Where do you get all the ornaments?
You find it here and there. People who wanted to bring it, you know. Say, but big plastic. The glass one is not good for the brick and you get cut, yeah.
I want to know who brought the McCafe ornament.
Oh, that's donated by the coffee shop. The coffee shop.
Which is your favorite ornament?
Right here.
Favorite? I'm going to use that.
Which is your favorite?
Right below those about maybe.
We had a rat that was made out of that kind of burlap material. That was my favorite.
It's not here. Yeah, below that.
Where? It's over here?
Somebody might take this. Put this. Here you go.
Just about 1 foot below that.
Hey, that's Sarah.
Just face them out. You know.
Oh. She said somebody might take this one, put it higher up.
Watch out. Are you guys going to be on television? Watch it.
Who's in charge?
You're going to be on TV.
Who's in charge here? Yeah. So how did you get the most important job, which is making sure the ladder doesn't move?
I was just standing here looking like a fool. But I got the Christmas spirit.
Despite the fact that it's in the 80s, right?
Right.
And the surf is crashing along the waves there. Which is your favorite ornament?
The lowest one.
The lowest one? The one you don't have to
One where you don't need the ladder.
Let's see which one you have there. Oh, a dancer? Is that olive oil?
It looks like it's something from a cartoon or something, but I don't know. Some have stories, some just appear, some disappear.
I guess that's kind of the way it goes, right?
Yeah.
Things are added and subtracted. This is April M. Williams. I'm on Diamond Head Road watching the tree trimming party, the cactus tree. It's a little bit non-traditional. Where are you today?
Where are you today?